In front of me is TECLAST T60 and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Caffeine, keep screen on and download this app from this developer. When it's ready, launch it. Then hit OK. Tap on Timeout and make sure Infinite is on. When you're ready, go into Tab menu. Now you need to tap on this pen at the bottom right corner of it. Scroll all the way down, look for Caffeine shortcut and add it to your current menu. Then click on the top left corner and tap on Caffeine shortcut to activate it. As you can see after that, Infinite Sleep Time is on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!